guys, this is basically gonna be the programming half of my channel where I'm gonna program I'm gonna program every day but upload every other day. Am I gonna do it for real? I don't know. Programming really takes a good amount of time depending on the problem set, so we'll see how it goes. But overall, I'm excited for this. I'm so excited. Yeah. Okay, so I basically got it to work. Took a while. I was trying to, at the beginning, I got it to print the sequence of the numbers from five all the way to 1, which is pretty easy. You get a number and you just subtract, decrement as they say, until you reach 1, and if it's 1 you break out of the loop, which is pretty easy. That part was easy. But now in my programming class they taught me that you gotta deal with stupid inputs. Okay, so at first, well, mostly what I was trying to solve is if the user inputs a letter instead of a number, and for it to tell the user to input a number or a digit instead. So at first I was using the isDigit function that's in the standard library for C++, and it didn't work. If anybody has any thoughts on why it didn't work based on what they saw in my program, I'll be happy to hear it. But I had to create my own function in which to deal with the user inputting a letter instead of a number. So the function, you pass the value to the function, and it checks whether, well, okay, for the function I created an array of letters, and the array of letters starts from A and ends to Z, and it basically checks your the user input to the values in the array, and if it equals each other, then it returns true or false, and that allows me in the main loop to tell the user to input a digit instead. And that's how I basically solved it. It really wasn't a hard problem, but when I was trying to program for all the cases, that's when it took some time. Hope you like it. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.